Children, today I'll discuss the addition of decimal numbers and their properties. So how to add the decimal numbers? You have to follow some steps. They are: first, convert the decimal numbers into like decimals. Second, arrange the digits of the decimal numbers according to their places in columns. Then one thing you have to note, while arranging the numbers in decimal columns according to their places, decimal point should come one below the other in column. Okay, let us take one example. Suppose you have to add 25.08 and 5.7. So first step is you have to convert into like decimal. So see, maximum 2 decimal places are there, here only 1, so you have to make it 2 decimal place by putting 1 0 on the right hand side. Now you have to first step over, then second step you have to arrange these numbers according to the places. So first you write 25.08, then you have to write 5.70. So I told you decimal point के नीचे decimal point होना चाहिए. So ये है, this is your decimal point. So this decimal point will come below this, इसी के just नीचे आना चाहिए. Then you have to arrange 5 in ones place. So just before 0.5 comes, just before 0.7 and 0. So 7 in 10th place, 0 in 100th place. So you have to add 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 7, 7, 0.5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So 30.78. Then second example, 483.905 plus 16.24 plus 93.8. Here also first you have to convert into like decimals. Maximum 3 decimal places. So here you have to put 1 more zeros. Here 2 more zeros. Then you have to arrange in columns. So write 483.905. Then point के नीचे point. Then before point 16. So 6 and here 1. Then 240. 240. Then third number is point below the point, then 93.800. Then add 5, 4, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 19. Carry 1 to the ones place. Then point के नीचे point. Then 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 593.945. So in this way you are going to add. Then properties of addition. For suppose we take one example, 5.6 added to 3.8. So when you arrange it in columns, your answer will be 6 plus 8, 14, 4, carry 1 here in the ones place, point below the point, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9.4. Now if you change the order of the numbers, means 3.8 will be written in the first place and 5.6 in the second place. Then also when you add, the answers are same. So you can write 5.6 plus 3.8 is equal to 3.8 plus 5.6. That means the first property is, as it has been already been discussed earlier for fractions, whole numbers, the sum remains the same if we change the order of the addends. Means addend का order आगे पीछे भी करोगे तो भी आंसर जो है एडिशन का सेम रहेगा. Then the second one, suppose you want to add 1.2, 2.4 and 1.1. So I have written them in order. ऐसे एक कैसे भी एक arrange करके लिखो. Then you have to use bracket and you have to write first and second number within the bracket and add them first. Bracket में है means उससे पहले add करना है. So when you add 1.2 and 2.4, you will get 3.6 plus 1.1 is 4.7. The same three numbers you have to write again, but in this case I have grouped second and third decimal and add them first. So 1.2 remains 1.2 as it is, then plus, then these two numbers are added, it is 3.5. Again the final answer is 4.7. So 4.7, 4.7, you can write this is equal to the second expression. Okay, so here the second property is the sum remains the same. इवन आफ्टर चेंजिंग द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ द एडेंट्स, यहाँ ऑर्डर चेंज करना था, यहाँ ग्रुपिंग चेंज किए तो भी द सम रिमेन्स सेम. Then the third one, 6.3 plus 0. So how do you add it? So 6.3, 0 you can write like suppose 0.0. When you add, it will be 3 and here 6, again 6.3. Similarly, if you add 0 plus 3.928, so 0 you can write 0.000 and 3.928. When you add, you will get same 3.928. So answer is 3.928. So we can conclude the third property as the sum of any decimal number and 0 is the number itself. Means किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर को 0 के साथ ऐड करो या 0 को किसी डेसिमल नंबर के साथ ऐड करो, द सम विल बी द नंबर इटसेल्फ, यानी वो नंबर खुद होगा आंसर.